subscribe to Android Discovery channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. Marshall released its latest set of earbuds, including its first true wireless device that has active noise cancellation functionality. III and their Marshall Motif ANC. The two models offer some degree of improvement from the earlier released Mode 2 earbuds. III and Motif ANC earbuds can be purchased from the Marshall website. Motif ANC is only available for pre-order at this time, with general availability by September 30th. Signature feature in the Motif ANC is, of course, active noise cancellation. The ANC feature is fully customizable, as users can regulate the level of noise cancellation required in different situations. Battery life of the Motif ANC is also decent, as it offers up to 5 hours of activity on a full charge when ANC is active. Battery life is massively extended by 20 hours when the charging case is attached. Pair of earbuds have multiple microphones, touch controls, and the earbuds are rated IPX5, which offers moisture protection. In addition, wireless charging is possible with the Motif ANC. Marshall III features 12mm drivers for decent sound output. IPX4 rating, and general comfort guaranteed even when used for extended periods. III offers 5 hours of playtime on a full charge, and this is extended up to 20 hours when attached to the charging case. You can charge the device via USB-C or Qi wireless charging and are priced at $129. So friends, how did you like this video? Do let us know by commenting in the comment box. And friends, if you have come to our channel for the first time, then subscribe to our channel. You will continue to get such interesting videos every day on this channel.